Alright guys, here's the deal. That smells nasty. Nasty water right now. We're in some nasty water. Right now we're fishing, right? We're fishing, it doesn't look that deep. A lot of this area is 10 deep, 10, 14 feet deep right here. But, you know, I casted out this smaller bait, and I got bit once on it, but that time I got bit didn't really work out too well. Still kind of adjusting the reel at the moment for this particular size. It's real lightweight, but I got one grab on it, and yeah, didn't have my drag set yet. Just put this reel on. It's been sitting in the box for a few years, so one of those situations. But man, it was such a grab, and because my spool was loose, I actually felt the fish grab the bait and pull that line, I mean a good amount, and it just broke my heart. You know, I set the hook, and when I went to set the hook, what do you think happened? I mean, pretty obvious what happened. Line just came flying out, and I missed that fish. That's terrible. The reel I'm using right now is a reel that usually people throw larger, medium-sized, even some lightweight, larger-sized swim baits, and mostly swim baits get thrown with this 5-4-1 gear ratio. It's a winch. So if you guys are familiar with the winch, you know, I mean, I'm casting a lighter bait. Maybe it weighs 1/3 of an ounce, maybe. So I'm not even sure if this reel, well, I could play with that, but the wind's not even a factor. Yeah, no, I could adjust this reel and get it tuned up. I could definitely cast this out a lot further with a different reel, but I need this 5-4-1 gear ratio here. I need that slow retrieve. And that was right on the drop, guys.